My name is Richard Lobb, and I'm president of Hytec Water Management. We're a 30-year-old company, and we originally began in Edmonton, Alberta as a home water filtration company. But as we grew, we also were called upon by large commercial institutions like where the Edmonton Oilers played hockey, and they of course wanted to treat their water, and this becomes quite cumbersome when you talk about traditional water filters. So we began to develop chemical feed systems that could treat hard water issues with using chemical feed pumps and tanks and metering systems. And thus began our career. And as time has gone on, it's become our real expertise today in what we call asset management, which is what we're involved with high-rise properties here in Greater Vancouver and elsewhere in other cities, dealing with issues from pinhole leaks to hard water issues across the country. So as taking on more of the role of an asset manager in a building, and water being usually 80% of the problem in a high-rise or a structure, Grundfos came back to us, not just with the pump and the success we had, but bringing in their new Magna 3 circulating motors that are able to take control of one of the weaknesses in a high-rise, which is excessive rotating of hot water. And we could manage other aspects of Grundfos innovation with our own innovation as a company and marry these two ideas together and give our customer a better package.
We're standing in one of the larger complexes in Vancouver, Canada. And this particular project services over 450 residential units, not to mention commercial, grocery stores, Starbucks coffees. So it has a wide appeal, both commercial and residential. As water flows through the metering and plumbing system that we've installed, they eventually all talk to our feed pump system by Grundfos and the products that we add to the water to prevent the pinhole leaks and corrosion to the plumbing. So given the range of this particular project, it touches thousands of people, not to mention grocers and shoppers, accuracy and pinpoint delivery is utmost in this particular project. It affects a lot of lives. And we depend on these systems, and they've proven to us to do this work in the building. The pumps will display the volumes used. We know when to come and service. And this really for us is a terrific system because of its automation. We would normally need to have a dedicated service person to a building of this size and for the next 3 next door to look after just these 4 buildings in a month, which is a big expense to our company, where automation and the accuracy of these pumps really means that instead of 4 buildings, using this equipment, we can service well over 50 to 60, 70 units with one single person. So at the bottom line, it counts big for us. To our customer, it's safety of delivery, it's accuracy. This is all the important things to be a true water management professional.